Aloha, I'm Ivanka Trump. Welcome to Trump International Hotel and Tower Waikiki Beach Walk. With 462 studios and suites, Trump International captures the unique spirit of the Hawaiian Islands, blending traditional and contemporary influences for a timeless appeal and a true luxury experience. We have wonderful dining options. Make sure not to miss our signature restaurant, BLT Steak. And make sure to try our Waiolu Ocean View Lounge. Or dine al fresco at Inyo. Alternatively, you can have an in-room chef prepare a romantic dinner for two on your lanai. At the Spa at Trump, experience the islands with one-of-a-kind treatments drawing on ancient Hawaiian customs of health and wellness. Or our exclusive and results-driven Kate Somerville facials. Our acclaimed Trump attaché is here to cater to your every need. No request is too large or too small. And our beach attaché can prepare you for a day of sun and sand, or arrange for surfing or paddleboard lessons. The junior set will love the special services and amenities of our Trump Kids program. You are just steps away from all the shopping, restaurants, and nightlife of the lively Waikiki Beach Walk, including Kalakaua Avenue, Waikiki's Rodeo Drive. While just minutes away are famed Waikiki attractions like Hanauma Bay, Diamond Head State Monument, Waikiki Aquarium, and the Honolulu Zoo. Or stay right here and learn all about Hawaii's exotic customs with our Cultural Embrace program. And there's much, much more. Just ask us. Aloha.